Today I'm going to show you the G scale. The G scale starts and ends on G, and I'm going to show you how to do it parallel and contrary. So the G scale is very similar to the C scale in that the fingers are exactly the same. So you start on G and you use the same fingers, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you'll notice that in order to make G sound correct, we have to put a black note here. So the reason we have to do that is because we have to make the whole steps and half steps the same as they are for C. So if you'll notice, for C to be correct, we have to have a whole step, a half step, whole, half, whole, half. Sorry, I'll show you down here. I think you can see it better. Whole, half, whole, half. So on the keyboard, it's very easy to see on a piano keyboard. You have a set of 2 black keys, a set of 3 black keys, and a set of 2 black keys. So if we use this formula all the time, a whole step is a set of keys with a note in between. A half step is a step with no note in between. So a half step is a set of notes with no note in between. A whole step has a note in between. So you can have a whole step with 2 black notes and a note in between. That is also a whole step. So whole, half, whole, half. That's the formula for a major scale. A major scale. So now let's move to G. G is the same. Whole, half, whole. In order to make the whole step, we have to go here and then half. So whole, half, whole, half, in order to make G sound like C. Otherwise, it's going to sound like this. And that's not right. So, that's the way we play G. So, both hands together are going to be the same way as we played C. The first position is going to be 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 2 easy positions. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, thumb under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's try the left hand. Thumb under. So this is contrary G. Let's go backwards. One more time. First position, second position. First position. Okay, now we're going to try it parallel. So this hand, now which fingers are going to play together? The threes. The threes. Now if you remember, C, it was on E and A. This time it's going to be on B and E. So going down, you're going to switch. This hand is going to switch first on E, thumb under, and then this hand is going to switch when you get to B here. Threes play together on B. Okay, so on parallel, going up, the right hand is going to change from the first position to the second position when you get to B. Change right. On E, change left. Going down, change left on E, change right on B. Going up, change right on B, change left on E. And that's the G scale. Whoops. That's the arpeggio. So that's your G scale. Thank you for listening.